Hello guys, my name is Temidayo Omoniyi and I'm a data analyst for your BZH. For today's session, I'll be showing you how to use the switch function in both Excel and Power BI. This is syntax of switch function, which is equals to switch, open bracket, expression, comma, value, and the rest. So let's just do some basic example of switch function. So if I was going to do this I'm trying to do something like this now. Okay, say this an animal, these categories, right? I have different animals. I don't get the categories. I've given like a lookup value here. I say, okay, if it is cat, give me canine. If it is dog, give me pet. If it is lion, give me king, right? I can always do that using the if function, or you can use the nested ifs, or you can use the ifs function. But I want to use switch to do this now. So I say equals to switch, right? The expression, which this is expression here, right? Comma. The value now, that's value 1. I put a double quote. I say cat, comma. What result? What result did I want? So I put another double quote. I say, if it is cat, I want you to give me canine, right? Canine, comma. Also another one again. I say, if it is dog, I want you to give me what? Pet. And else, give me what? King. And that's all. That's how cool the switch function can be. That's how cool it is and fast it is. You can also use the if you want to use also, but that's how cool the switch function is. So let's do more example of the switch function. Let's take, for instance, now I have a different categories here, different range, different age bracket. I say, okay, if the age bracket is from 0 to 16, it should give me 10. If it is from 17 to 22, I want it to be youth. 23 to 49, adult. Anything above 49 should be elder, right? So I can always use the VLOOKUP to do that, but if I'm using the VLOOKUP, I'll use the true, that's approximate match. This time I'll use the exact match, or I can use an if statement, but this time I want to use the switch statement to do this. So if I say equals to switch, right, then I'll put the expression as true this time around, true, comma. So I want to say, okay, the value of this here, that's value of B6 must be less or equals to what? 16. It should give me what? It should give me what? It should give me 10, right? Double quote, comma. This also less or equals to what? 22. It should give me what? Youths, right? Comma. What else again? This less or equals to what? 49. Should give me what? Adults, right? And double quotes. Okay, and anything apart from that should give me what? Elder, right? So that last part is else what? Elder. That's cool. So I can just drag down, and that's how cool this is, right? So anything, let's see the elders. Anything above, okay, you can see 80 elder, 50 is an elder, and that's how cool it is. So let's do the same thing now in Power BI. So I'll open my Power BI now. I'll show you that there's so many similarities between Excel and Power BI itself. Import data from Excel. I go to my desktop, personal videos. Okay, go down to switch function with Power BI. Okay, cool. Okay, so let me just transform this, or transform the first one. Okay, let me just remove this. I don't need this. So let me just close and load. I'm going to use the DAX formula for this now, and you see how cool the DAX formula can be. So let me just go to my table, my data. So this is my data, right? Now there's it, right? So I'll create a new column. So I say new column. Okay, I'll name this categories, right? So I say switch, right? Switch what? You remember the first thing is the expression, right? So switch of animal, the animal column, comma. Let me just go down a little bit. So switch of animal column. I say, okay, if it is what? If it is cat, it should give me what? It should give me canine, right? Comma. If it is what again? If it is dog, it should give me what? It should give me pets, comma. And last one, anything which is what? If it is lion, that's else lion should be what? King, right? And close. That's all. close my bracket, enter. Voila, you can see how cool this is. You can see how it came out so fast, so fast. So let's go back again. Let's say let me get another data again. So let me say transform data from or get data from recent source. Okay, I'll get data from recent source. So I'll say multiple this time around. I'll do the multiple conditions this time around. So I'll click on OK. Okay, so let me just remove this. I'll create another group again. So I'll delete this, close and apply, close and apply. Okay, so go to my table. I'll select my multiple. I'll create a new column. I'll say new column. So say let's say range, age range, right? So I say function is switch, right? So switch true, comma. Let me go down a little bit. So I don't want to make any mistakes with the age, so I'll just come here and copy all of this age here. So let me go back. I'll make it a comment. I'll make it as a comment here. So I say okay, switch age. I say let's say age now. So I say age, multiple age must be less or equals to what? 16, right? If that's equals to 16, she gave me what? She gave me 10, right? 10's double quote, comma. So age again, age, multiple age. If it's less than or equals to what? 22 this time around, it should give me what? Youths. Should give me youths, comma. Okay, another multiple. Let me say age, multiple age. If it is less than or equals to what again this time around? 49. It should give me what? It should give me adults, double quote, comma. So anything else should be what? Elder. And that's all. Close my bracket, enter. And you can see how cool this is. You can see it's basically the same thing. It's the same thing with Excel. So what you can do with Excel functions, you can also do it with Power BI DAX formulas. So I hope you guys learned a lot. So this video was brought to you by your BZH. Have fun and bye guys.